The aspirations of people around the world bring them together on the path of progress, helping them with advancements in technology for power distribution, electrical cables, industrial oils and lubricants. APAR Industries was founded in 1958 by the late Dharam C. Desai, a visionary Indian industrialist who pioneered the manufacture of power conductors, the basic building block for power transmission and distribution. For more than 5 decades, APAR's innovative pursuits made them a technology leader of global reckoning, with multi-product, multi-location manufacturing in India and distribution facilities in the Middle East, Europe, Africa and Australia. APAR's Powerline range of conductors are products of constant evolution, backed by strong R&D. APAR has 2 dedicated conductor manufacturing plants in Western India, incorporating fully integrated operations. A modern facility for continuous casting of aluminium and alloy rods. High-precision wire drawing lines. High-speed stranding machines for multiple stranding of different configurations of conductors in aluminium and alloys with either clad steel or reinforced steel. APAR's portfolio includes new generation high conductivity alloy conductors, high temperature thermal resistant alloy conductors and high temperature low slag conductors that are capable of carrying 100% additional power load as compared to conventional conductors. APAR's commitment to high quality and adaptability to change through constant innovation has made them the preferred supplier of conductors to various power utilities and EPC contractors around the world. Unicab Cables from APAR is a leading brand of electrical and telecommunication cables. 2 modern manufacturing plants in Western India have fully integrated facilities. Today, Unicab cables from APAR are used by leading power utilities, nuclear power plants, refineries and petrochemical plants, steel plants, shipping, defense, telecom and the railways to produce a wide range of high technology cables, ranging from high tension and low tension power cables to elastomeric cables, telecommunication cables, including fiber optic cables. Advanced CCV technology system for manufacturing high tension, high voltage cables. Fully integrated manufacturing of elastomeric cables for special applications like windmill and solar power. First of its kind, electron beam irradiating curing facility for cables and a variety of other products. High technology systems for precision manufacture of fiber optic cables. The production lines are integrated with stringent quality management processes, testing the cables to withstand hostile conditions like fire and smoke, while ensuring durability. Power Oil from APAR is the leading brand of specialty mineral oils. With 2 large lube blending plants, APAR offers cutting-edge technology solutions in transformer oils, industrial oils, liquid paraffins and white oils, and lubricants. Automatic filling and sealing of drums with centralized SCADA control. Driven by continuous R&D, APAR has developed a diverse product portfolio of more than 400 grades of specialty oils. APAR introduced several special grade oils for demanding applications, including transformer oil for 800 kV extra high voltage DC alliance with ENI SPA of Italy. APAR's technology mission is driven by the commitment of its people, guided by core values of trust, service, respect, integrity, and excellence. Values that define the DNA of APAR, an organization built on strong foundations of reliability and quality, constantly innovating to meet the changing needs of customers. As a role model corporate citizen, APAR has built charitable institutions for education and healthcare, which have become centers of excellence. APAR is on a dynamic mission of anticipating change and implementing strategies to achieve new milestones of progress, and in the process, creating greater value for customers and stakeholders. For APAR Industries Limited, it's a continuous mission of powering dreams globally by bringing tomorrow's progress today.